The Wood Night is sponsored by I Would Like.
We bought an extension bed for our mini lathe, so we needed a new bench to put it on. While we were at it, we thought we'd add some storage to replace the mobile lathe tool cart and free up some workshop space. Free plans will be available on our website. Check the description below for the link. As with all plywood projects, I started by breaking down the plywood into manageable pieces with the track saw. With the ply cut to more manageable sizes, I took it to the table saw to be cut to final dimensions. The table saw allows for easily repeatable cuts. I have trouble stretching across an entire piece of plywood, so I got Paul to rough cut the material for the bench top. We decided to use form ply, which is a hardwood ply with a phenolic coating. Form ply is typically used for concrete moulds. We chose form ply because we wanted something stronger than pine ply, had a colour we liked and would resist turning finishes and wet turning debris. The stretchers were trimmed to length at the miter saw. The legs and stretchers were laminated to provide extra thickness. We used screws instead of clamping. It was a hot day and we were messing around and got glue everywhere. Oh well, it still worked. Once everything was dried, I cut the 5-degree bevels at the miter saw. The matching bevels for the legs were cut with the track saw. Ooh, fancy! With the drill press table tilted to 5 degrees, I counterbored for the bolt heads. Then I drilled the through holes for the bolts. With the bench dry fitted, I used a hand drill to transfer the hole locations to the stretchers. Back at the drill press, with the table set to 90 degrees, through holes were drilled for the copper pipe. The copper pipe was cut to length using a pipe cutter. This simple tool made the task surprisingly easy. With the pipe in place, we could extend the bolt holes through the copper pipe. With one long point of contact, the bench is likely to rock on the uneven garage floor. The easiest way around this is to cut 2 feet on each leg. For the joinery for the drawers, I opted to go with box joints as I wanted to have a play with my Incra iBox jig. It worked beautifully. We wanted the lathe bench to be red and black to match in with the overall workshop colour scheme, so we used milk paint to get the job done. Overall, I'm extremely happy with the outcome. I love the look and feel of the painted ply. The bench is good and secure and it doesn't rock. I found drilling the bolt holes for the joinery on the correct angle really difficult and had to patch and re-drill quite a few of the holes for the copper pipe. However, it worked out alright in the end. The cabinet with the drawers is great. It fits most of my lathe tools. I'm thinking I'll add another cupboard with a single slide-out shelf to hold lathe-specific finishes and the rest for storing turning blanks. And also some triangular panels to cover up the gap between the cabinet and the legs. Thanks for watching.